Welcome to Edniestudios. I'm Edney, and in this video we are come to learn how to do frequency separation. So we are come to learn in some few steps how to edit this image into this you are seeing. Please make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. Okay, so opening Photoshop, we have this image of this model. So I've already removed the blemishes, and it was not that much, so I removed the blemishes. So in order to do frequency separation, we can create a new layer, then we merge all the layers into one layer. So we use Shift Control Alt E to merge them into one layer. And then we copy this layer using Ctrl J to copy the layer. Then we rename this one. So we rename this layer color, and rename this detail. Rename this detail. So we first switch off this layer, then we apply blur to. So we apply blur to the color layer. So Gaussian blur. So go to blur, then Gaussian blur to apply blur. So we want to blur the image until no texture is seen in this image. So I think 3.5. I think 3.5 is fine. Maybe 3.5 is fine. 3.5. We click. So we enter. Okay. And then we make this layer visible. Click on this layer. Then we go to image. Go to apply image. The blending mode must be subtract. Then layer must be the color layer. So that's this. So this is the layer. Then we change the blending mode to linear light. Click on the color layer, then press the keyboard key B for brush, then or you can go use the mouse, pan over and click on the brush tool, then go to mixer brush. So in this mixer brush, you make the wetness level to load 75, mix 90, then flow ranging from 20 to 25 or 30. So using these values, we click on the color layer, then we can zoom into the image. Then we are come to even out the skin. Making the skin look more smooth. We are mixing the skin tones by painting on the skin. So first paint in this direction, because that when you look at the skin is in this direction, so you paint in that direction. So we paint in that direction. So as you can see, it's evening out the skin, making the skin smoother and the skin tones more even. So let's group this. You hold Control and click on the details layer and you right click, then group layer, and then it's frequency separation, or the other is frequency separation. So this was how, so look at this place. So this was before, and this is how the image is now. So we are evening out every part of the skin, making it smoother. So in this place, you do it in the horizontal manner. You even it out horizontally. So you decrease the brush size with the left bracket and you increase with the right bracket key. So right now we're decreasing it and painting on the nose. So we paint on the nose and we paint this way. So be mindful of the direction in which you paint. In some cases it don't really matter, but you'll be mindful of it. It makes your work better. So we even out the skin. This was before and it's now how it is. So we paint even out the eye bags. So basically that's it. Mixing, painting the colors, making it better. But make sure you don't take away the small lines. So these are the small lines. When you paint on it, you take it away and makes the image flatter. So make sure you don't paint away the small lines. So we come here also, then you paint even it out. So this was before and this after. We've gotten some job done there. So we are doing it for the whole part of the, we are doing it on all the parts of the body, evening out the skin, making it better. And that's frequency separation. Make sure you don't paint on the lip. Don't paint on the lip. Paint on top and below. You don't mix the lips color with the skin's color. I think we finished with the face. So this was how the face was before, and this is how the face is now. We've smoothened the skin, made it more even. So this is a tutorial, but you can make it better as you take time and you do it with much precision. You make it far better than this. And So we are painting on the body and making every part of the body, every part of the skin even and smooth. Make it even and smooth. So that's basically frequency separation. That's basically frequency separation. We've evened out the skin. We've evened out the skin, making the skin more even. So we fit to screen with Control 0. So this was the before, and this was how the skin was before, and this is how we've managed to smoothen it out. So before and this after. So make sure you smoothen out every part of the skin. Make sure you smoothen out every part of the skin. So okay, so I think we are done. I think we are done with frequency separation. I think this is the basics of frequency separation. So smoothing out the skin, making the skin more even, and does it make the skin more even and smooth. Then you're done. Okay, so after you smoothen out the skin, you can also do dodging and bending, making the skin so to bring out the highlights and the shadows more. So after everything, this was the result. So look at how the dodging and bending have brought in some dimension into the image. I'll leave a link below in this video to check out the full retouching, so that contains blemish removal, frequency separation, dodging and bending, and color and some color correction. Please make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.